In this video I'm going to show you how to change the resolution of your Autocad environment so your circles and arcs are more smooth and round. Basically, if you're not working with very large complex drawings and you're just drawing basic parts, etc., one of the first things that I do is I change the resolution of the environment using the view res command. If I, for instance, were to draw, I'll just have to just draw a bunch of circles. Some arcs. And I zoom in. My drawing is not that demanding and not complex yet, but the circles look segmented. To increase the smoothness of them and for your O snaps to be easier used, you type in a command called view res, and it prompts you if you want fast zooms. You enter yes. By default, AutoCAD uses a 1000. You can increase the circle zoom percentage to 20,000. And now when you hit enter, your circles will always be smooth and round. It's more demanding on computing power, but your arcs and circles will be smooth and circular and not segmented. And that's pretty much all you need to do to make your circles look like circles.